chromatic scales basically means going, from scale to scale. Like, it can either be going through all the 12 keys, it can either be maybe, 6, right? But you're not skipping any. So say I'm going from F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, right? C, C sharp, D, E flat or D sharp in this case because I'm ascending, E, and then F sharp. F, and then I'm going back to F sharp, right? Let's do that again slowly. F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp. I'm ending here on F sharp, right? And you want to practice this like slowly in the beginning and do this daily, right? Until you can incorporate this in your song. Maybe I can say, let me just say, maybe I want to go to 5. Let me see. You are worthy to be praised. To be honest, it's gonna depend how you use this in a song, right? I'm not that fast as yet with this chromatic scale, but yeah, you can literally like incorporate this maybe in a song if you wanna, try them out. You can start first if going slowly for all the keys, and if you don't know how to play in all the 12 keys, I'll encourage you to do that, because if you just playing this, then it's not gonna make sense. But then if you have learned to play piano in all the 12 keys, then it's gonna make sense what you're playing. Like for this, you're gonna know that, okay, it's fine, this is an F, and you're playing 1 and F, or I can just take it from maybe the second inversion, right? The first, actually the first, right? Okay, just, and I good. And that's the chromatic scale.